Let's say that you chose one of the templates right here and you want to start it. All of them, the setup for all of them is the same concept if you want to share it and if you want to add a post. So I'm going to choose one of the shells right here. So directly when you create a Padlet, it starts by setting up the title. You can choose an icon. You can check with emojis, or you can add your own if you want. Over here, the address is very important. You can change it and make it something easier. Like for example, the title over here is how we express ourselves. This is one of the units in PYP. So I will type HWEO. You can change the wallpaper. Attribution is when it shows the author name. So you can allow it if you are working with people in a workshop in which they have their own accounts. If you are working with students, most of them who do not have their accounts, it is better to keep it off. Here you can organize how you want the posts to show. You can allow or disable comments, reactions. Require approval is a very important tool. If you want to keep an eye on the Padlet and make sure that nobody adds posts that are out of the topic, you can just click this on and then you will have to approve it. So here, in case we had bad words, they will be replaced with emojis. This is how the system tracks them.